Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how you can drive this Toyota Prius second generation car and what are these important steps, because this car is a little bit difficult to drive, more difficult than Toyota Corolla. And first step is that when we have the smart key, we have to install this is first step in this slot. And when we install that in here, we have to check that there is no any red warning light in this dashboard. Because if we have wrong key, then there is warning light, what looks like that. Look. And if we have that symbol, we have wrong key. And now it happens when I took that away, but I installed that back. And this is first step. And then second step is that I have to press this brake pedal on totally in this way. Before this is like second step, brake pedal on and nothing happens, but this is really critical that this car starts. And then I have to press this power switch once. And then when we see in this dashboard this ready light, this is really important. Look, there is ready. Now I zoom a little bit that can we see in this 0 and just in right there is ready. And now this car even starts this engine, this motor is running. And now I need to only change these gears when I like to drive forward. I install in here and down. And D is like in here, this position down. Now and then I check that what is this dashboard thing. There is D. Now we can see D in right. And then when I like to install that like neutral, I only move that in here. Now there is neutral in there. Good. In this dashboard. And then when I like to reverse, I install in up. And we can hear the sound. It means that now we are reverse. And then finally, when I like to stop, only one button and everything goes down. Excellent. And this was this information that there are so many steps what we need to remember. That we need to install that in slot and then brake pedal and then brake button and then these things. Okay. And then you can look at how I managed to hustle and wattle and do mistakes with this car, because I like Toyota Corolla or Toyota Camry gasoline with automatic transmission. It is the most easiest. But this Prius is excellent car, so fantastic. Automatic transmission and fuel consumption is so low that that's I thumbs up Toyota Prius. Look, that's I thumbs up. Those three things. Firstly, automatic transmission, excellent quality is second, and then very low fuel consumption and those emissions. Please purchase used Prius or new one, and I can recommend that to you. Okay, thank you my friend.